brushes, some Dawn soap that's in here. It's diluted with some water, so it isn't too harsh on my brushes. And then some extra vinegar oil. It doesn't have to be extra vinegar. It could just be vinegar oil, coconut oil. And I do that just to condition my brushes. But you don't need to do that step. You don't want to, but what you do is you just pour some onto a pot lid. You don't need a whole bunch, just a little, like that. And then I like to use warm water on top of it. So we'll start with this one right here. It's pretty dirty. And just warm up the water. I don't use too hot of a water. I don't really want to dry the hair or bristles. I don't use too cold of a water because I feel like cold water doesn't clean as well as hot and warm. That's the only idea I wet the bristle. And some of the soap mixed with the olive oil, which we're going to mix anyways. Then kind of dab it in. Put the salt holder to the side. And I don't know if you guys have anything similar to this, or like a glove of sort of something like this. This one's just a sample, but they have actually the bigger one, Sigma does, but you don't really need to use anything like that. You can just use your hands as well. Something like this. If you don't have neither one or anything, your hand is very useful to pull. And I just use this little egg that my sister got me. And then just press back and forth, circle motion, side motion, and then rinse it real quick again. I give it spread a good 30, 60 seconds, like a minute after. Rinse it off. To get all the dirt out. And when you rinse, make sure you rinse with holding your brush down towards following the bristles directions, because if you rinse this way, the water can potentially go into the holder and loosen the glue, and then you'll have a bunch of fallout. I had that done, or happened to me with my brushes, which is sad. It was actually my favorite brush. And then just kind of, if you still have soap, but I kind of normally squeeze what's supposed to be water, but this isn't fully rinsed out, obviously. And then go a little higher, and then we'll try this again. And see now, so this water came out, not soap. Then set it on the towel. And I kind of, when I set it on the towel, I kind of roll it back. I roll this back one so it has a little heel. The water can dry going down and not just sit at or run down to the brush holder. So this makes any sense. Then same thing, let's get another one. Let's do this one. 30 hot holder. Put my ingredient, rinse the brush. Again, that's it. Just a little egg, or use your hand. And here we go. Work away. Back and forth. Side to side, circle. Give 30 seconds to a minute, I give it. And then squeeze water out. Gently squeeze water out. Onto the hill. That's pretty much it. Now I have to do all these same way. Hope you learned something. Try to keep the video short but detailed. Till then, express your expression and make sure it stays in.
Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Leave a comment below suggesting a video you would like to see. Thank you and have a good day. Yours truly, Mari G.